Hi, can you really use artificial intelligence to generate more and better sales leads? Yes, you can. Our team has been working for the past 8 years on leveraging identity resolution, big data, and machine learning to help companies generate better sales leads. The focus until last summer was really on the B2C world, but then we figured out how to solve a technical issue that really opened up what's possible in the world of B2B marketing and sales. Now that we have clients who are on this platform using the technology, we can see firsthand the magnitude of the results. And I am pumped. Yes, I am. This is a real game changer. It is also elegantly simple. So please, just give me 5 minutes and I'll explain to you how you can transform your marketing in just 30 days. My experience has shown me that leveraging artificial intelligence to generate sales leads has 3 phases. First, shine a light on the buyer's journey, then target prospects who are looking to buy right now, and then serve them so they understand the full value of buying from you. Let's start with a quick overview of how we know what your prospects are doing before they even know who you are. The purchase of everything involves a buyer's journey. In some form or fashion, all buyers go through the process of educating themselves. This often starts with asking, do I have a problem? How big is my problem? How can I solve my problem? What options are available to solve my problem? And what results should I expect? And then finally, who should I hire to help me? Today, for practically everything, that buyer's journey starts online. Forrester research determined less than a year ago that 68% of the B2B sale is completed before a company ever talks to the prospect. That means your prospects are well down the path to choosing to buy before they ever reach out to you directly, if they ever do. Now, big data, machine learning, and identity resolution allow us to see the entire buyer's journey, to identify the prospects who are looking for what you sell right now, and to focus your limited marketing resources on the prospects who are your best opportunities. It starts with an identity graph. Our team has built a proprietary identity graph that covers over 260 million Americans. This includes an average of 4.2 emails and 3.2 device IDs per person. Think of it as a large table where each row is a person. It allows us to track individuals across all the devices that they use, day in and day out. To track behaviors, we gather 50 billion real-time behaviors every day and match the behaviors to the person in our identity graph. We can then build out the path to purchase based on actual observable behaviors, what websites your prospects are visiting, the keywords they search, and then put that all together into a conversion behavior pattern. The algorithm runs through all that behavior data, day in and day out, looking for the actual people who are engaged in researching what you sell. As Perry Marshall in his book 80/20 Sales and Marketing said, selling to the right person is more important than all other sales methods, copywriting techniques, and negotiating tactics in the world. So, with the in-market targeting algorithm shining a light on the entire buyer's journey, you can now directly target your prospects who are actively looking for your solution. Okay, work with me here for a second. I need you to use a little imagination because I haven't figured out exactly how to show this yet. I fundamentally believe that there's not a single B2B company that is competing for enough business. And by that, I mean everyone is severely limited in their ability to effectively target all the people who are actively looking for a solution that they can solve. Imagine this is the market that you can see. These are the target prospects that you have identified and can reach via your advertising. You can't see who's interested, so you have to advertise to them all. Perhaps you use TV or radio, perhaps you do email marketing or you get really creative with Facebook. Maybe you do Google pay-per-click or create great content that gets noticed by Google, goes viral, and drives organic traffic. Whatever your approach, you are blind so that the messaging goes out to everyone. And of course, since your budget is limited, the audience you can reach is limited too. And as we know, only a small percentage of the audience is looking right now and will respond. So here's the thing. Your market is so much bigger than you can possibly impact with your limited resources. Think about it. If you have a 2% market share, that might turn you into $1 billion firm. But why are you not competing for that other 98%? If you could compete on a bigger stage without increasing your marketing budget, then you could dramatically increase the number of leads that are available. And at its core, that's what we help you do. I can show you the entire market and let you focus your efforts on everyone that matches your ideal client profile and who is looking for the solution to the problem you can solve right now. All right, so I'm going to walk you through this. Let me show you how we do it. It's both simple and elegant. First, we link your CRM database to our identity graph. Ideally, you should have a database of at least 20,000 people who meet your target prospect profile. The more the better. Have a database with 1 million contacts? Not a problem. We'll map them to our identity graph. If you don't have a database, then step 1A is going to be to build or buy one. Good B2B databases are generally available for around 10 cents per record. I work with many vendors, and I can help you get the best data for your application if you need it. Then we build out your prospect's path to purchase, the keywords, URLs, and behavior patterns that indicate your prospects are in the market for what you sell. Then the system starts looking and listening. This is the magic. Every day sifting through 50 billion behaviors and applying pattern recognition to identify the individuals who are in the market right now. Listen closely. This is the game changer. We can monitor your entire market, all of your ideal clients, and tell you when any of them are in the market for what you sell by name, and we'll pass back their complete information, name, email, address, phone number, plus the reason that we think they're in market. Now you can customize how you reach out and engage with them. Finally, when we couple knowing who is in the market with inexpensive display advertising campaigns that are focused on that target market audience, that database that you've built, then you can use our identity resolution technology to know with 100% accuracy when any of your ideal target prospects are considering you. What content they consumed, how long they've been on your site, their level of engagement. By supplementing the in-market targeting data with inexpensive display ads, we can generate a consistent flow of leads and do so for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. And I mean a real cup of coffee, one brewed in a big pot at a diner, not some Starbucks fancy latte. All right, the results are dramatic. In less than a month, your sales team will get direct leads, hundreds of leads, people who are looking right now for the solution you provide, who are suffering from the exact problem that you solve. Lists of people who are considering you right now, people you can call, people you can email. Your marketing team will get thousands of leads to follow up with. Direct mail, not a problem. Direct email retargeting, not a problem. Email campaigns, yes. Here's why this is so important in B2B sales. Your salespeople aren't necessarily digital marketing experts, copywriters, or public speakers. What they do know is good old-fashioned belly-to-belly sales. Everyone hates cold calls. They suck. But we'll be giving your sales team daily lists of exactly who they should be calling and emailing. Sure, you're not going to close 100%, but you will be able to start the conversation before your competition even knows that they're thinking about buying. You get to set the baseline, and they have to compete against you. All right, finally, you must continue to serve these prospects, to nurture and educate them. To turn a stranger into a client means getting them to engage with you, to know who you are, and to generate interest in learning more. From there, you need to develop know, like, and trust, to educate them as to why you're the best solution for them, and to do it consistently so that you can maintain that precious top-of-mind awareness. Top-of-mind awareness takes time. According to a study by Sales Leader magazine a few years ago, it takes at least 7 contacts to earn top-of-mind awareness. Yet most salespeople give up after the 4th contact. You need a system that allows for multiple contacts over time, so when they're ready to act, they know exactly who to talk to. And you need to meet them where they are. One channel or one solution won't work. You want to communicate with them in the manner that they want to be communicated with, by phone, on websites, by direct mail, etc. It's through consistent education delivered over time in a manner that they want that you develop know, like, and trust. This is your opportunity to get ahead of the wave. You can deploy this technology before your competition even knows what hit them. Tons of qualified, sales-ready leads push right to your sales team and marketing stack every single day.